Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Oz with Awesome Mechanics, and on today's video we have this 2007 Chevy Silverado back here with the engine code p0121. So in this video right now we're going to show you how to fix it up and how to take this code right off your truck. Right, first and foremost, what we're going to do, we're going to verify the code. So let's go into the code menu, display code, and let's see what we have. So right now we have that p0121, and this is a performance code right here. So normally speaking, when I deal with these, is about 9 out of 10 times gonna be a dirty throttle. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get into the actual, let's see, data display, and what we're gonna look at, the throttle angle. And on these Chevys, I've seen some go about 4 degrees. I've seen others at 12, 10. And normally when we get this code right here, if I'm not mistaken, what I remember is above 20 degrees at idle. If I'm not mistaken, I might be wrong. But let's see what degrees we have right now. AC off and everything, and I want to check this out. And this has to be with engine running. So let's go ahead and go to our data PIDs. So right off the bat, the TPS, we're at 26. So remember, I was giving an angle of 20, and let's just turn it on and let's see what we get. So as you can see, we're about on the high side, and I do not like that right there. I want to see a little bit lower. So right now what we're going to do, I'm going to do a visual inspection on the throttle body. Make sure that we do take the key off. Make sure that the key's not on, because if we do end up cleaning the throttle body, I want to make sure that nothing's on there. Alright, so we're underneath the hood, and this is going to be a pretty easy process. What we need to do, like I said, take the keys out, put them aside. So my keys are right here, they're not in the ignition. Pop this open, and then what we're going to do, I got my Milwaukee gun, and the good thing about Milwaukee, my last gun was actually damaged, so this one looks pretty nice. They warranted out, sent me a brand new one. I'm glad about that. So this is going to be a size 8. We're going to loosen that up and then pop this open. Once we pop this open, we're going to move it aside, and I'm going to show you how it looks inside. And I can tell you right now, it is quite dirty. Alright, here's a close-up of the throttle body, and let me just open this up right here so you can see how nasty and gunky it is. Look at that residue right there. And that's why we had the high readings. Right now what we're going to do, we're going to get our shop rag, get some throttle body cleaner, and clean up all this nastiness, and then we're going to see the results again. On some throttle bodies, if you want to, you can remove them and take them off and do that. On this one, I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up from the inside, and we should be okay. Alright, so now we have it cleaned. So let's open this up and let's see how shiny it is. As you can see, no more debris inside where the butterfly mates. Alright, so we have a clean throttle body. So we're going to go inside, we're going to the vehicle, and we're going to turn it on. Alright, let's turn on this vehicle and let's see what we have. RPMs jumped up a little bit, and they're settling down. Alright, let's see our TPS readings right here. As you can see, they're starting to go down. Back then we were up to 28, if I'm not mistaken, 27. That's where we started off at. Right here we started off at 16, and we're gradually going down. And like I said, we're going under the threshold of the 20 mark at idle, and that's what I want to see. So there you go. If you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell to get brand new videos coming out from Oz Mechanics. Hope y'all have a nice day. Take care. And actually, I did notice one thing, and this is why we're going to do an idle relearn. Look at the desired idle. We're at 600 RPM, and over here at the engine RPM, we're at 800. So let's do this idle relearn. Let's do module setup. Test in progress, as we can see right here. Test complete. Alright, now let's just verify that our idle relearn was good. Data display, engine data, and there we go. Let's turn this on. And there you go. We have our desired idle and our engine's actual engine idle right here. And as you can see, we're basically hand in hand. And let's see if we can look at our TPS. Look at our TPS. 7% compared to 21. Yeah, this is going to be a fix. As you can see from our last one, 21% to 7% with our idle reset and cleaning up the throttle. There you go. If you do like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell to get all the brand new videos here from Oz Mechanics.